Hello everyone, welcome everybody. This is the fourth part of our chapter cell and also second part of our MCQ question answers series of chapter cell, which is comes under the general science in biology portion. This video help you in your all competitive exam as well as in biology portion. Before continue this video, I request you first of all you see the previous video. After that continue this part. आपके सामने आपकी स्क्रीन पर वन बाय वन क्वेश्चन आएगा, उनको आप पहले वीडियो को पॉज कर लीजिए, इमीडिएटली उस क्वेश्चन को आप सॉल्व करिए, उसके बाद ही मेरा सॉल्यूशन या आंसर देखिए। ठीक है, तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करता हूँ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर योर स्क्रीन। Already in the previous section, I completed 25 questions on chapter cell. After that, I continue question number 26. Around 25 questions covered in this part. So first question, cell membrane is dash. There are four options. First is impermeable, second permeable, third selectively permeable, last semi-permeable. बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन, लेकिन थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है, तो इसलिए मैंने उसको आपके साथ आपके सामने रखा है। तो आंसर करिए। सो आई होप यू गॉट दिस आंसर। सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज सिलेक्टली परमेबल। सेल का आउटरमोस्ट मेम्ब्रेन को हम सेल मेम्ब्रेन कहते हैं, मेनली प्लांट सेल का। वो प्लांट सेल मेनली सिलेक्टली मेम्ब्रेन होती है। इसका मतलब है उन्होंने सिलेक्टली कुछ मटेरियल को अंदर जाने देते हैं, कुछ मटेरियल को अंदर जाने नहीं देता है। ठीक है, तो इसलिए सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज ए सिलेक्टली परमेबल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 27। द लार्जेस्ट एनिमल सेल इज डैश। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन अमोइबा, सेकेंड ऑस्ट्रिच एग, थर्ड पिजन एग, लास्ट पीपीएलओ। सो द राइट आंसर इज option B, that is ostrich egg. If you well known, the ostrich egg is the largest animal cell. So question number 27, answer is option B. Going to next question, question number 28. Which the following cell organelle are found in plant cell but not in animal cell? There are four options. First is cell membrane, second vacuole, third nucleus, last plastid. So I hope you solve this question. So the right answer is option D, that is plastid. Okay, someone confused in the option B, vacuole also, like, but in this option, so the right answer is option D, that is plastid. क्योंकि सम सेल में, सम एनिमल सेल वैक्यूल वेरी लिटिल अमाउंट, बहुत ही कम मात्रा में पाया जाता है वैक्यूल, लेकिन प्लास्टिड बिल्कुल भी एनिमल सेल में नहीं होता है। तो इसलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी। गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 29। द वर्ड प्रोकैरियोटिक मीन्स ए सेल डैश। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन विथ मेनी न्यूक्लियाई, विथ वन न्यूक्लियाई, with diffuse nuclei, last option without chloroplasts. So what do you mean by prokaryotic? I hope you solve this question. So the right answer is option C, that is with diffuse nucleus. The word prokaryotic means a cell with diffuse nucleus. Question number 29, answer is option C. Going to next question, question number 30. Cells were seen for the first time by dash. Otherwise also asked this question, which scientist observed first cell? First option Leeuwenhoek, second Robert Hooke, third Waxman, last Fleming. Very easy question. So the right answer is option B, that is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke is the first scientist which is observe the cell in a dead cork cell. Okay, so he name also cell. Going to next question, question number 31 for your skin. In prokaryotic, genetic material is present in dash of cell. First option ribosome, second cytoplasm, third vacuole, last nucleus. Remember this, in prokaryotic, not eukaryotic. In prokaryotic, genetic material present in dash. So I hope you solve this question. So that answer is option B, that is cytoplasm. Because in prokaryotic cell, nucleus is not well defined. So in genetic material present in the cytoplasm. Question number 31, answer is option B. Going to next question. सॉरी यहाँ पे थोड़ी रिपीट हो गई, क्वेश्चन नंबर रिपीट हो गई, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, यहाँ पे दोबारा 31 क्वेश्चन टाइपिंग हो गई, कोई बात नहीं, सॉल्व करिए. द फंक्शन ऑफ सेल वॉल इन प्लांट सेल इज डैश. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन टू गिव शेप एंड सपोर्ट ऑफ सेल. सेकेंड ऑप्शन टू कंट्रोल द मूवमेंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस इनटू एंड आउट ऑफ द सेल. Third option to store various substance of cell. Last option to provide energy for the cell activity. Very very important. So I hope you solve this question. So the right answer is option A, that is to give shape and support to the cell. Some students are also confused with option B, but option B not the answer of cell wall. This is a function of cell membrane. Okay. So question number 31, answer is option A. Going to next question, question number 32. Which the following is the longest cell in the human body? There are four options. First is nerve cell, second muscle cell, third bone cell, last gland cell. So the right answer is option A, that is nerve cell. In the human body, nerve cell is the longest cell. So our answer is option A. Question number 31, answer is A. Going to next question, question number 33. Which the following is the absent in an animal cell? There are four options. First is cytoplasm, second nucleus, third nuclear membrane, cell membrane, last cell wall. So the right answer is option D, that is cell wall. Cell wall is the cell organelle, outer membrane of cell, which is found only in plant cell, not animal cell. So question number 33, answer is option D. Going to next question, question number 34. Which of the following components are present in the nervous system? First option brain, second spinal cord, third cranial and spinal nerve, last all of the above. So this is not a cell question but also a biology question. So the right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 34, answer is option D. Going to next question, question number 35. Which the following is a sac-like structure that store food, waste and water? There are four options. First is lysosome, second centrosome, third chromosome, last vacuole. So the right answer is option D, that is vacuole. Vacuole is a sac-like structure that store food, food, water and waste. So question number 35, answer is D. Next question, question number 36. Which the following gives the cell its shape, maintain its size, protect the internal structure inside and it is selectively permeable? यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी क्वेश्चन आपको लेंदी लग रहा है, लेकिन so there are four options. First is cell wall, second nuclear membrane, third cell membrane, last tonoplast. So very easy question also. So right answer is option C, that is cell membrane. Cell membrane is the cell organelle, part of cell that gives shape, maintain its size, protect the internal structure inside and it is selectively permeable in nature. So question number 36, answer is option C. Going to next question, question number 37. Which the following is a jelly-like substance inside the plasma membrane in which all the cell organs are found floating? There are four options. First is tonoplasma, second cytoplasm, third karyoplasma, last cell shape. So the right answer is option B, that is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like structure inside the plasma membrane in which all the cell organs are found. Question number 37, answer is option B. Next question, question number 38. Which the following is the largest organelle in the cell? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, आराम से उसको सॉल्व करिए। आपके सामने चार ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट इज न्यूक्लियस, सेकेंड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, थर्ड गॉल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, लास्ट लाइसोसोम। So the right answer is option B, that is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the cell organelle which is largest cell organ among all cell organelle. So question number 38, answer is option B. Question number 39, which the following is the small rod-shaped structure found by a double membrane which helps in the oxidation of food and release energy? There are four options. First is mitochondria, second Golgi complex, third nucleus, last vacuole. So right answer is option A, that is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the rod-like structure shaped organelle which is helps to the oxidation of food to release energy. Question number 39, answer is option A. Going to next question, question number 40 for your skin. Which the following is called energy currents of cell? First option MTP, second FTP, third ATP, last all of the above. So the right answer is option C, that is ATP. Yani adenosine triphosphate is also known as energy currents of cell. Mainly it is found in the mitochondria. Going to next question, question number 41. Which the following is the intracellular transport structure that help in the protein and lipid synthesis? Very very important question. Remember this. Which the following is the intercellular transport structure that help in the protein and lipid synthesis? First option ribosome, second microtubules and microfilament, third Golgi complex, last endoplasmic reticulum. So I hope you solve this question. So right answer is option D, that is ER, yani endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 41, right answer is option D. Going to next question, question number 42. Which the following gives below is in the ascending order of number of nuclei present in the cell? First Paramoecium, then brain, then Ribosomes mammal. Second option Ribosomes mammal, then brain, then Paramoecium. Third option brain cell, then Ribosomes mammal, then Paramoecium. Last option all of the above, yani all are in equal number. So the right answer is option B, that is Ribosomes mammal, then brain cell, then Paramoecium. Because in Ribosomes mammal there is no nucleus present. In brain of cell that is only one nucleus present. In Paramoecium two nucleus present. So our question is ascending order, yani इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. सो आवर आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. याद रखिए, क्वेश्चन आराम से पॉज करिए और इमीडिएटली याद रखिए. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. व्हिच द फॉलोइंग इज आर द डेंस थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, थ्रेड एंड रॉड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट इन द न्यूक्लियस? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन Golgi complex and chromatin. Second option chromosome and endoplasmic reticulum. Third option centrosome and chromatin. Last option chromatin and centrosome. Thread-like structure and rod-like structure. So the right answer is option C, that is centrosome and chromatin. Okay. Yes, the right answer is option C, that is centrosome and. So यहाँ पे थ्रेड लाइक यानी क्रोमोसोम होना चाहिए था और रॉड लाइक. Okay, see this, the right answer option C, that is centrosome and chromatin. Going to next question, question number 44. Which the following sac-like structure help in the synthesis and storage of many substances? First option enterprise reticulum, second nucleus, third mitochondria, last Golgi body. ध्यान से देखिए कौन सा ऐसा सेल ऑर्गेनेल है जो कि मेनी सब्सटेंस का सिंथेसाइज करता है और उसके साथ साथ भी स्टोरेज भी करता है. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज गल्गी बॉडी या गल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स आप भी कह सकते हो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44 आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. ओके, गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. Which the following organelle act as the digestive system within the cell? First option Golgi body, second centrosome, third lysosome, last mitochondria. So that answer is option C, that is lysosome. Lysosome is called as digestive system of the cell. Question number 45 answer is option C. Going to next question, question number 46 for your skin. Which the following cell organelle are respectively called suicidal bag and powerhouse of cell? यहाँ पर आपको दो क्वेश्चन करा है. पहला सुइसाइडल बैग किसको कहते हैं, दूसरा पावर हाउस सेल. सो सुइसाइडल बैग इज कॉल्ड लाइसोसोम और पावर हाउस इज कॉल्ड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज लाइसोसोम एंड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. ओके, गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which the following structure regulates cell division in the animal cell? First option chromosome, second chromatin, third centrosome, last spindle fiber. So the right answer is option C, that is centrosome. Centrosome is the cell organelle present in only animal cell that regulate the cell division. Question number 47 answer is option C. Going to next question, question number 48. Which the following is true of the colorless plastid and its function? First, chloroplast perform photosynthesis. Second, leucoplast perform respiration. Third, chromoplast are involved in the production from sunlight. Last, leucoplast help in the food storage. यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान से क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना है. यहाँ पे कह रहा है कलरलेस प्लास्टिड, यानी कौन सा प्लास्टिड कलरलेस होता है, लिकोप्लास्ट. तो ऑप्शन ए नहीं हो सकता है, सी भी नहीं हो सकता है, इधर ऑप्शन बी होगा या डी होगा. उसके बाद उसका फंक्शन, लिकोप्लास्ट परफॉर्म रेस्पिरेशन, नो, लिकोप्लास्ट रेस्पिरेशन नहीं फंक्शन करता है, रेस्पिरेशन नहीं करता है. तो इसलिए हमारी आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन डी, एकदम करेक्ट, दैट इज लिकोप्लास्ट हेल्प इन द स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड. लिकोप्लास्ट का फंक्शन ही होता है स्टोरेज करना, तो इसलिए राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. Next question, question number 49. Which of the following are the green plastic? First is carotenoid, second xanthophyll, third chloroplast, last all of the above. So the right answer is option C, that is chloroplast. Chloroplast is the pigment or plastic that is in green color. Carotenoid are in red color, xanthophyll are white in color. So question number 49 answer is option C. Next question, question number 50. Which the following is are made of cellulose? First option cell membrane, second plasma membrane, third cell wall, last all of the above. So the right answer is again option C, that is cell wall. Cell wall is the made of cellulose. So question number 50 answer is option C. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. In that way, see this type of MCQ video, please like, share and subscribe our channel and share your friends. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. So in the next video, हाँ और एक बात, आपको वीडियो का जो PDF और वीडियो का लिंक दोनों ही आपको हमारा जो टेलीग्राम चैनल है वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. तो आप चाहें तो वहाँ से आप PDF डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. आपको टेलीग्राम ज्वाइन करने के लिए हमारी जो वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा, आपको वहाँ से ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. और आप टेलीग्राम में चैनल साइंस सॉल्व सर्च कर लीजिए, जो भी एक दो चैनल आएगा उसको ज्वाइन कर देखिए, हमारी वीडियो वहाँ पे अपलोड होती है. तो आप वहाँ से भी PDF ले सकते हो. तो क्वेश्चन का PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पर ही मिलेगा, तो इसलिए आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करना आपके लिए ज़रूरी है। सो थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। इसी तरीक़े से हम आपके लिए ऑलरेडी हम 50 क्वेश्चन कवर कर लिया है सेल चैप्टर का, और 50 क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं, यानी और उसका 2 पार्ट बनेगा। हर एक पार्ट में हम 25 अराउंड 25 क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो इसी तरीके से आप सेल चैप्टर एवरी साइंस का हर एक चैप्टर का 100 MCQ हम कवर करेंगे। तो इसलिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए, चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और आपकी फ्रेंड के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। हाँ, PDF के लिए आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पर ही आपको PDF मिल सकता है। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।